is Anya, and today we're going to take the concept of a strawberry dipped in chocolate and put it in meringue form. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
Whip up a basic meringue mixture. I'll link my recipe down below. Add in a tablespoon of strawberry essence and mix until well combined. Add in a few drops of pink food coloring and mix until well combined. Place your mixture into a piping bag and pipe out flat spirals. I also piped out small meringue dots. I normally bake my meringue at 160 degrees Celsius with a gas oven for 30 minutes, but since these meringues are larger, they require a longer cooking time. So I'll be baking my meringues for 40 to 50 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius with a gas oven. Before removing your meringues from the oven, turn the oven off completely and allow your oven to cool down completely before removing them. Dip your meringues into some melted chocolate, or you can spoon some melted chocolate onto your meringues. Continue doing this for the rest of your meringues. And enjoy an unconventional way of having strawberries dipped in chocolate. Enjoy!